In this video, I will show you how to see what channels you get on Hulu Live TV. So in here, I have this help article for the live guide on Hulu. So in this will list the actual live guide navigation bar to launch TV. So on your web browser, if you have it, you can find the live menu option. If you have a TV, you can just press down on your remote in order to see this. Now, as you can see, the live guide works for the recent channels, favorites, and the likes. Now, you can also customize your favorites and you can actually change some things as well. Into this particular article, you can see all of the channels that you can have, like NBA, K-drama, Hollywood hits, and the likes. You can see right here some kinds of channels that you can see as well, and you can find all of the channels and movies that you can actually watch on Hulu Live TV. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.